I'm Blake Wolf, new member of SuperAirsoftguyz. This is an unboxing of an AUG. So, that stuff, little pamphlet, and the AUG itself. And it's made in China. And there's more stuff in here along with it. A 330 round magazine for it. A mesh mask. Okay, now let's get to the opening of the AUG. So, pamphlet, manual, the AUG itself, it's mostly this ABS plastic charging handle where the pop-up is shown back here from that. Foregrip that goes up, an integrated scope, so it's pretty nice. Well, that's pretty much the overview of it. Thank you.